Are you looking to enhance your deck with a sleek, modern look while ensuring safety and durability? Have you been overwhelmed by the sheer number of cable railing kits available? Don't worry. Today, we'll simplify your search by reviewing 7 of the best cable railing kits on the market. From budget-friendly options to premium all-in-one systems, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 7. Muzata 50-Pack 1/8-inch Cable Railing Protector. The Muzata 50-Pack 1/8-inch Cable Railing Protector is a product designed to protect your deck posts from wear and tear caused by cable friction. These protective sleeves are made from T316 stainless steel, which is known for its durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. If you're looking for a way to extend the lifespan of your deck posts while maintaining a polished look, this kit is worth considering. The sleeves are compact and easy to install, making them a practical choice for homeowners who want to preserve their railing system without investing in an entirely new setup. However, this product does have some drawbacks that might make it less appealing for certain users. For starters, it's specifically designed for level metal posts, which limits its versatility if you're working with wooden or angled posts. This can be frustrating if your deck design includes unique angles or materials. Additionally, while the sleeves themselves are durable, the lack of included installation tools or guides means that beginners may struggle to align them perfectly during installation. This can lead to uneven results if not done carefully. Another issue is that these sleeves are primarily functional rather than decorative. While they do protect your posts effectively, they don't add much in terms of aesthetic value beyond a clean finish. If you're looking for a product that enhances the visual appeal of your railing system while offering protection, this might not be the best option. Despite these limitations, the Muzata protector sleeves are a solid choice for those focused on durability and practicality. 6. Muzata 100 feet 1/8-inch Stainless Steel Cable Railing System. The Muzata 100 feet 1/8-inch Stainless Steel Cable Railing System is another offering from Muzata that aims to provide homeowners with a reliable and durable solution for their railing needs. The cable is made from marine-grade T316 stainless steel, which ensures excellent resistance against rust and corrosion, an essential feature for outdoor applications. Its high tensile strength makes it suitable for both residential and commercial projects, providing peace of mind when it comes to safety and durability. One of the standout features of this cable system is its flexibility. It can be used for both straight and angled installations, making it adaptable to various deck designs. Whether you're working on stairs or flat surfaces, this cable can handle it with ease. However, handling the cable reel can be challenging due to its weight and size. If you're working alone or lack experience with such installations, managing the reel might prove cumbersome. Another drawback is that cutting the cable to precise lengths requires additional tools that aren't included in the package. While this isn't a deal breaker for experienced users who already own such tools, it could be an inconvenience for beginners who need to purchase extra equipment separately. Additionally, although the product boasts high durability overall, it's not recommended for coastal environments where salt exposure is high, an important consideration if you live near the ocean. Despite these minor issues, this kit provides good value for its price and works well for straightforward projects where flexibility and strength are key requirements. It's a reliable option, but might not be ideal if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. Number 5. AHEONLAR 500 1/8-inch Stainless Steel Cable with a Cutter. The AHEONLAR 500T 1/8 stainless steel cable with a cutter is a versatile and practical option for larger deck railing projects or other applications requiring durable cable. Made from T316 stainless steel, this cable boasts a breaking strength of 1,850 pounds, ensuring it can handle significant tension without compromising safety. Its 7x7 strand construction adds to its durability, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. Whether you're installing deck railings, fencing, or even creating a zip line, this cable offers the strength and flexibility needed for various tasks. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of a high-quality cutter. This tool allows for precise cuts, saving time and effort during installation. Many users have praised the cutter for its clean and efficient performance, even after multiple uses. However, some have noted that while the cutter works well for standard applications, it may struggle with repeated heavy-duty use over time. For extensive projects requiring hundreds of cuts, investing in a more robust cutting tool might be necessary. Another advantage of the AHEONLAR cable is its ease of installation. The cable's flexibility makes it easy to work with, allowing it to bend around corners or fit into tight spaces without losing its structural integrity. This feature is particularly beneficial for complex railing designs or staircases where precision is key. Additionally, the stainless steel material ensures excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making it ideal for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Despite its many strengths, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Some users have questioned whether the material is true T316 stainless steel due to minor signs of wear after prolonged exposure to harsh environments. Number 4. BLIKA 50-Pack Invisible Cable Railing Kit. The BLIKA 50-Pack Invisible Cable Railing Kit is an exceptional choice for homeowners who value both functionality and aesthetics in their deck railing system. This kit includes T316 stainless steel components such as swage tensioners and threaded studs that are designed to provide an invisible finish. The result is a clean and modern look that enhances your outdoor space without obstructing views, a perfect option for decks overlooking scenic landscapes. One of the most appealing aspects of this kit is its simplicity during installation. The components are designed to be user-friendly, making the process straightforward even for DIY enthusiasts. Simply drill holes through your posts, feed the cables through, and tighten the holders by turning the ends. However, users have noted that purchasing a hydraulic crimper significantly improves the efficiency and security of the installation process. While not included in the kit, this tool can save time and ensure a professional-grade finish. Durability is another strong point of this product. The marine-grade T316 stainless steel ensures excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're installing railings on wood or metal posts, this kit performs well across various materials. However, some users have reported that it may not be ideal for installations involving larger posts, like 4x4s, due to slight compatibility issues, something to consider depending on your project's requirements. The BLIKA kit also stands out for its versatility. It works equally well in residential settings as it does in commercial applications such as restaurants or office balconies. Additionally, its sleek design complements modern architecture beautifully while maintaining safety standards. 3. WAYSKA 500-1/816 Black Stainless Steel Cable. The WAYSKA 500T1H T316 Black Stainless Steel Cable offers a unique combination of durability and style that sets it apart from standard stainless steel cables. Its elegant black finish adds a sophisticated touch to any railing system while maintaining all the benefits of marine-grade T316 stainless steel construction. This cable is not only highly resistant to rust and corrosion, but also boasts impressive strength with a braking capacity of 1,850 pounds. One key feature that makes this product stand out is its aesthetic appeal. The black coating gives your deck or staircase a modern look that blends seamlessly with contemporary designs or darker color schemes. This makes it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces while maintaining functionality. However, some users have noted that the black coating can chip if handled roughly during installation, so care must be taken when cutting or threading the cable. The WAYSKA cable also excels in terms of flexibility and usability. Its pliable nature allows it to be used in various applications beyond deck railings, such as fencing or hanging lights in outdoor spaces. Installation is relatively straightforward when paired with compatible hardware like swage tensioners or lag screws, not included. Users have praised how easy it is to achieve a tight fit without sagging over long runs. Another advantage is its performance in harsh environments. The T316 stainless steel core ensures long-lasting durability, even when exposed to rain or humid conditions. While some cables may show signs of wear after prolonged outdoor use, this product has been specifically designed to withstand challenging weather scenarios. 2. IFYOGD Black Cable Railing T316 Stainless Steel Cable. The IFYOGD Black Cable Railing is a standout option for those seeking a balance between modern aesthetics and robust functionality. This cable railing system features a sleek black finish that effortlessly complements contemporary designs, making it ideal for decks, balconies, and staircases. The marine-grade T316 stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, even in challenging weather conditions. Whether you're in a coastal area or dealing with heavy rain, this cable railing can withstand the elements while maintaining its structural integrity. One of its most appealing features is the ease of installation. The cable's flexibility allows it to adapt seamlessly to various railing designs, whether straight or curved. This makes it an excellent choice for homeowners who want a hassle-free installation process without compromising on quality. Unlike some competitors, the black coating on this cable rarely experiences chipping or peeling during installation, ensuring a polished look that lasts over time. Another advantage of the IFYOGD system is its versatility. It works well in both residential and commercial settings, offering safety and style in equal measure. The thin cables provide unobstructed views, making them perfect for scenic locations where you want to maximize visibility. Additionally, the product is competitively priced, giving homeowners access to high-quality materials without breaking the bank. While it doesn't come with additional tools or accessories like some other kits on this list, its straightforward design and reliable performance make it a top contender for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor space. Overall, the IFYOGD Black Cable Railing offers exceptional value for money and is an excellent choice for those who prioritize aesthetics and durability. Number 1. Zylorix 4 feet 8 feet complete set 42 inches cable railing system. At the top of our list is the Zylorix complete set cable railing system, an all-in-one solution designed to simplify your deck railing project while delivering premium results. This kit includes everything you need: posts, cables, tensioners, and even handrails, making it perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its comprehensive package, you won't have to worry about sourcing separate components or tools. What sets Zylorix apart is its robust construction and thoughtful design. The posts and cables are made from high-quality stainless steel that resists rust and corrosion even in coastal environments, ensuring long-lasting performance. The handrails are adjustable between 4 feet and 8 feet lengths, allowing you to customize the setup to fit your specific deck dimensions. This flexibility makes it ideal for decks of varying sizes and shapes. Installation is straightforward thanks to detailed instructions that guide users through each step of the process. Pre-measured components eliminate guesswork, while the included tensioners ensure that your cables remain taut for maximum safety and aesthetic appeal. Unlike other kits that require additional tools or accessories, Zylorix provides everything you need in one package, saving time and effort. The sleek design of this system enhances any outdoor space with its minimalist appearance while maintaining functionality. Whether you're upgrading your home deck or installing railings on a commercial property, Zylorix delivers unmatched quality and style. While it comes at a higher price point than other options on this list, its comprehensive nature justifies the cost by providing a hassle-free experience without compromising on durability or aesthetics. Final thought, and there you have it, the 7 best cable railing kits for your deck. From practical protectors like Muzata's sleeves to all-in-one systems like Zylorix's premium kit, there's something here for every budget and project scope.